Gusto mo bang i-convert ang iyong PayPal money from dollars to peso pero hindi mo alam kung paano gawin ito? Well, watch this video because I will teach you how to do that. Unang gawin is i-open lang ang iyong PayPal account, wag sa app because you cannot transfer or convert currency using the app. So, gawin mo ito sa Google Chrome. Pumunta ka sa Chrome or any browser. Then, makikita mo yung dashboard na ito. Click mo lang yung 3 dots na pataas sa kanang bahagi. Once you click that one, you could say manage currencies. Click mo lang yung manage currencies and you will see the banks you linked into your PayPal account. So, ito po yung mga banks. And then you could see there that your primary Philippine Peso account, wala pong laman. Nandun po pa din po sa dollars. So, just click the 3 vertical dots. And then you could say convert. You could click that convert currency. Once you convert that one, click the Philippine Peso, your primary account. And then write down the conversion amount. So you have $5 here. And once we input $5, we can already see the conversion amount below. That's the 48.6 something. And then just click next. Once you click next, you can see this one. Yes, it's somehow successful and you will be receiving for 243 peso and 1 cent. And then just click convert now and voila, you already converted dollar to peso just like that. It's very easy. I hope this video helps, and if this helps you, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, now it's converted already, as you can see on the screen, and that's how easy it is. So thanks for watching. Before I will end this video, I just want to remind for those of you who wanted to transfer the money to your account in Philippine Peso, don't forget, especially if you're receiving dollar account or dollars money, don't forget to convert it first before you will transfer. Some of you may ask that, bakit hindi ako makapag-transfer? Mayroon namang laman yung PayPal money ko, PayPal account ko, something like that. Because the main reason is hindi nyo pa na-convert ito to your own currency. Yan lang po. Thanks for watching.